Happy Monday, Valpo. I'm meteorologist Nathan Hopper here with your Storm Shield weather report. We've got two words to talk about the weather for this week: thunderstorms, rain, and more thunderstorms. We'll have, for the entirety of the week, we'll see rain and thunderstorms in the area, and we'll dive more into that as we go through this weather update, and we'll talk about when to expect what and where. For the northwest Indiana region today, we'll start out with in mid-50s for the entire region, and we'll go up to right about mid-60s. The whole region will, and we'll all come back down again. And now this is right here, this is a good stopping point to look at this temperature gradient we're seeing here through northwest Indiana. 64 degrees down here in Logansport and 40 degrees up here in Chicago now. That's a 24-degree temperature gradient in just a couple hundred miles. And so in the scheme of the Earth, that's actually quite a strong temperature gradient we'll be seeing. And so with this cold front moving in, we'll see temperatures drop down to about 40 degrees. But then as this warm air begins to protrude back up from the south, we'll be moving toward 50 degrees for our Wednesday high temperature in Valparaiso for this week. Now, let's take a look at the the Futurecast radar. We're seeing upper level clouds here at 10 a.m. on Monday, and then as we progress through Monday and overnight into Tuesday, we'll become more socked in with lower level clouds. And these green splotches will be the chances of showers we'll be seeing throughout the week, as well as the occasional lightning bolt or two as we progress through the week. And now, of course, we'll have a chance for some more localized cells that could bring more frequent lightning and heavier rains to the area. So if you are going outside anytime this week, do make sure to have a jacket and umbrella handy and seek shelter when you do hear a thunderstorm coming. Today, 62 degrees will be our high temperature with increasing clouds. We'll start out, might see the sun a little bit with those high level clouds, but of course they will increase as those low level clouds become more socked in, and the thunderstorm activity will begin tonight. Overnight low 52 degrees with winds out of the south-southeast at 10 miles per hour. And tomorrow the thunderstormy trend will continue. 64 degrees will be our high temperature. Winds out of the south this time from 5 to 10 miles per hour. Let's see how the thunderstorm activity progresses throughout the week. We'll have mid-60s all up until Friday, and then of course 50 degrees here on Wednesday. That's because of that cold front that comes in briefly and then backs back out. And so that's why those temperatures there will be about 15 degrees lower than normal, or at least normal for the rest of the week, that is. The low temperatures you can see are around 40 degrees, and that's because that's what's approximately normal for this time of year. And so the low temperatures stay the same, but the high temperature, of course, with that cold front coming through, dips down a little bit on Wednesday. Saturday, we will see the chance for some sun, although it'll be about 10 degrees colder at 55 degrees on Saturday. But then after this week, I would love to see the sun after all the thunderstorms we'll be seeing all through this week. I'm meteorologist Nathan Hopper. Have a great week.